Imagine a life where your deepest desires are effortlessly brought into reality, where your dreams become tangible and your aspirations become your truth. But in a world filled with challenges and distractions, how can we unlock the secrets to manifesting our desires and achieving spiritual alignment? In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel stuck, overwhelmed, and disconnected from our true purpose. We find ourselves yearning for something more, searching for answers to navigate the complexities of life. But what if there was a way to break free from these limitations? A powerful method that harnesses the forces of prayer and affirmation to manifest our desires, and a hidden key that Dolores Cannon discovered for achieving profound spiritual alignment. In this video, we will delve deep into the art of manifesting desires through the power of prayer and affirmation. We will explore how these transformative practices can unlock the doors to limitless possibilities, guiding us towards a life filled with abundance, purpose, and spiritual alignment. If you're ready to transform your life, to manifest your desires, and to tap into the divine alignment that awaits you, then this video is an absolute must-watch. Before we dive into the depths of these life-changing revelations, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. All right, let's begin. When it comes to prayers and affirmations, the language we use holds tremendous power. It's important to be mindful of our words and choose them carefully. One key aspect is to use the present tense. By using present tense in our prayers and affirmations, we activate the power of the present moment. We declare that our desires are already manifested, creating a strong resonance with the universe. This allows us to align ourselves with the reality we desire, as if it is already happening. Our thoughts and emotions are not just fleeting experiences. They hold great significance in the manifestation process. In fact, they are like continuous prayers we send out to the universe each day. Every thought and emotion carries a specific vibration that resonates with the energies around us. So it is crucial to be aware of the quality of our thoughts and emotions. By consciously cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, we align ourselves with the vibrational frequencies that attract our desires. Impatience can be a subtle hindrance when it comes to manifesting our desires. The universe operates in perfect divine synchronicity, orchestrating events and opportunities with impeccable timing. By letting go of impatience and surrendering to the flow of divine timing, we allow the universe to work its magic. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, even if it may not align with our preferred timeline. Patience becomes our ally in harnessing the full potential of manifestation. Manifestation is not merely about wishful thinking. It requires a deep spiritual alignment. In order to manifest our desires, it is crucial to release lower vibrational energies that can block our progress. Fear, doubt, and jealousy are examples of lower vibrational energies that can hinder our manifestation journey. By consciously cultivating higher vibrational energies such as love, gratitude, and trust, we align ourselves with the frequencies necessary for our desires to come to fruition. Affirmations and vision boards are powerful tools in manifesting our desires. However, their potency lies in the spiritual alignment we bring to them. When creating affirmations, ensure that they align with your authentic desires and resonate with your spiritual path. Infuse them with intent, emotion, and a deep sense of belief. Similarly, when crafting your vision boards, choose images and words that reflect your spiritual alignment and hold deep meaning for you. Manifestation is a dynamic process, not a one-way street. We don't just passively wait for our desires to materialize. We actively engage with the universe. It's important to put out requests to the universe, clearly stating our intentions and desires. But along the way, it's equally important to remain open and receptive to the opportunities and even challenging situations that the universe sends our way. These opportunities and challenges often carry valuable lessons and serve as catalysts for our growth and transformation. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing and way to bring our desires into manifestation. One of the fundamental aspects of spiritual alignment is maintaining a positive attitude and consistent focus. Our thoughts and emotions shape our reality, and by cultivating a positive mindset, we attract more positive experiences into our lives. When we hold on to negative thoughts or allow ourselves to be consumed by doubt and fear, we create resistance that hinders our manifestation process. By consciously choosing positive thoughts and redirecting our focus toward the desired outcome, we align ourselves with the energies that empower us to create the life we truly desire. Throughout our journey, we are supported by unseen beings such as spirit guides and angels who offer guidance, wisdom, and assistance. They are here to help us navigate the intricate path of manifestation. Through meditation, prayer, and a heightened awareness, we can tap into the guidance they provide. Additionally, past life experiences may hold valuable lessons and insights that can guide us in our current journey. Embracing these sources of wisdom can illuminate our path and aid in our spiritual alignment. In the grand tapestry of life, we encounter challenges and problems. However, these obstacles shouldn't be viewed as roadblocks, but rather as signals guiding us towards necessary changes. When we approach problems with a mindset of growth and transformation, we uncover valuable opportunities for personal development. Each problem presents an invitation to reassess our choices, beliefs, and actions, urging us to make the necessary changes that align us with the life we truly desire. Prayer and meditation are powerful practices that amplify our manifestation abilities. One technique that combines both is to visualize desired outcomes while incorporating positive affirmations. During your dedicated prayer and meditation time, clearly visualize your desired outcome. See it, feel it, and immerse yourself in the experience of already having it. Alongside visualization, repeat positive affirmations that reinforce the belief in your manifestation. This combination of visualization and positive affirmation enhances your spiritual alignment, sending a clear message to the universe. Gratitude is a powerful tool that helps us align ourselves with the abundant and harmonious rhythm of the universe. By embracing a sense of thankfulness for the good things in our lives, we open ourselves up to receive even more. When we cultivate an attitude of gratitude, we shift our focus from lack to abundance. We become receptive to the countless blessings surrounding us each day and create a magnetic field of positive energy that attracts more of what we appreciate. Gratitude serves as a bridge, connecting us to the natural flow of the universe's rhythm. Our actions, whether big or small, have a profound impact on the collective consciousness and the world we inhabit. Every act of kindness, compassion, and love contributes to a positive shift, creating a ripple effect that spreads far beyond our immediate surroundings. Words hold incredible power. They have the ability to shape realities, build bridges, and heal wounds. Conversely, they also have the potential to hurt, divide, and create lasting harm. When we communicate with others, it is vital to be mindful of the energy our words carry. By choosing our words carefully and with intention, we can make a positive impact, uplift spirits, and foster understanding. A kind word, a compassionate comment, or a loving expression can work wonders to heal and strengthen relationships. And there you have it, the power of manifesting desires through prayer and affirmation, as well as the importance of spiritual alignment. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration on your manifestation journey. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you'll never miss any future videos where we share more tips, guidance, and inspiration. Please feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers and building a community where we can support and uplift each other. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to stay focused, stay positive, and keep manifesting. Thank you for watching, and may your manifestation journey be filled with countless blessings. Goodbye.